How to fix the attestation denied error on X on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get past this login error and get back into your account. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for X and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen X and try logging in again. From here, if the attestation denied error is still showing up, let me show you the next fix. Open your Android settings again. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Google Play Services and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, go back and also search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store to open the app info page. Tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache as well. Once done, reopen X and try logging in again. From here, if the error is still there, open the Play Store. Search for X. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen X and try logging in again. Here's an important note. The attestation denied error is sometimes caused by your device not passing Google's safety check. Make sure your device software is up to date. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open X and the error should be gone. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the attestation denied error on X, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.